820, one of the two world's most innovative smartphones from Nokia Lumia. We have with this some of the accessories. You already saw the wireless charging one. This is a Monster headset. It's Bluetooth enabled and it has pairing with NFC. So if I just have to tap this and it gives me it says Bluetooth because it uses the Bluetooth antenna, but this is basically NFC pairing, and I can pair it and it starts playing the sound. As soon as I put the headphones on, the automatic noise cancellation comes on by itself, and when I play music, I can hear it straight away. Let me show you some more features in this incredible smartphone. There is what we call the Nokia City Lens. This is a Nokia location or navigation experience. So now we're in New York City and we want to explore New York. So let's look for famous things. And it's telling me through these thick walls that somewhere in that direction is the United Nations building. It truly is. And it shows you in a cluster here a lot of other interesting things. So let's go to the United Nations building because we're in New York. It automatically takes us to the Nokia Maps application, which is integrated so well with this feature. And it's going to give us a lot of information about the United Nations headquarters. So it's going to tell us where the location is, it tells us the direction and the exact, some quotations, there's a phone number, opening hours, it even tells you the month, except January and February, you can actually go there and write right now. So there's a whole lot of category, landmarks, and even a website. Now, for those who haven't actually seen what the United Nations building looks like, this is probably the best known picture. But there's probably for national security reasons, there's no review in here. But then there are guides where you can find more reviews. And if you want to go eat somewhere after that, it's going to tell you a bunch of things you can do or eat later. So you can see the Chrysler building nearby. You can go to the Balthazar restaurant. Let's see what that is all about. So some nice quotations from the Lonely Planet, which we all trust. There's a phone number. So if you want to make a call and book yourself a table, we can do that right away, which we don't want to do. So we will hang up. It tells you what category of food it is in. It tells you that it gives you breakfast and lunch and dinner and even brunch on Saturday, Sunday. It's going to tell you what the restaurant looks like. It's got a lot of reviews from a lot of people, and these are not people who work for the restaurant. These are people who are like you and me who've eaten there 28 days ago. So this has come from TripAdvisor. This has come from somebody called Don Blow via Twipe, and so on. So these are really third-party reliable reviews. And then of course you can go back to the experts in case if you wish. So that was the other thing. There's another great thing here, and it's my favorite application called Nokia Transport or Nokia Transit. In a matter of seconds, it finds out where you are, so it updates the location. I've been told by my buddies here in New York that Century 21 is a good place to go to for shopping. It's got good prices and good stuff. So it's already got my location now, which is here we are, and now it's telling me how long it takes. So as you can see, the fastest is not always first. So if I hang around here and spend another 10 minutes here, I could still get there on time. And then as we go through the day, it keeps loading different options. If I'm getting late, it tells me that I basically, it finds me there. So I can take the metro, I can walk, and it has a time to reach. And it's always updated. And in fact, I've got it saved as a shortcut on my home screen.